Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Explorer high GPU usage on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, this is a very strange thing. I'll tell you why. Because we know of high CPU usage on Windows computers due to File Explorer process. That is a known thing, but GPU usage, I mean, why would the external GPU be impacted by it? But the problem is that a lot of users are reporting it. So there has to be some validity behind these claims. Now, the best counter I have is to restart the Windows Explorer process. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. And then wait for the list to load. Right click on Windows Explorer and then select Restart. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. And the last solution is clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.